Good day everyone, this is your teacher Ma'am Adoko, and for our lesson video today I will be discussing how to allocate depreciation expense for adjusting entries. Depreciation is a method of allocating the cost of an asset to an expense over the accounting periods that make up the asset's useful life. Example of assets that are subject to depreciations, these are the equipments, tools, vehicles, and buildings. These types of assets loses their ability to provide useful service as time passes. Depreciation is the decrease of the usefulness of these assets. And the simplest method in calculating the amount of depreciation is the straight line method. And this is the formula in calculating the depreciation. Annual depreciation or depreciation expense per year equals to acquisition cost or the original cost minus the salvage or the residual value of the equipment divided by the estimated useful life in years. And the pro forma entry in recording depreciation expense is depreciation expense is debited, and the accumulated depreciation, the name of the depreciable asset, is credited, and the explanation. I have here an illustration. Lopez acquired office equipment on February 15, 2016 for his printing shop business. The cost of the equipment is 25,000 pesos. It was estimated to have a useful life of 5 years, and that after 5 years, the office equipment can be sold at a scrap value of 4,000 pesos. Using the straight line method, we can compute the annual depreciation of the office equipment. Okay, so the annual depreciation equal to 25,000, which is the original cost or the acquired cost, minus the salvage value of 4,000 pesos, divided by the estimated life, which is the 5 years. So the annual depreciation per year is 4,200 pesos. If the accounting period being reported by Lopez is for the month ending of February 29, 2016, the adjusting entry will be in General Journal. Depreciation expense is debited, which is 175 pesos, and the accumulated depreciation of the office equipment, 175 pesos, is credited. You may be wondering, students, how did I get the 175 pesos for depreciation expense? Okay, so the first thing we need to do, we already have the annual depreciation of 4,200. Okay, so we divide the annual depreciation 4,200 by 12 months. Okay, for us to be able to obtain the monthly depreciation. So 4,200 divided by 12 months, so we have the monthly depreciation of 350 pesos. And since the equipment was acquired in the middle of February, so we need to multiply it by 1/2. So 350 multiplied by 1/2. Okay, so the monthly depreciation for the month of February is 175 pesos. Thank you for watching our lesson video today. Have a nice day and bye-bye.